In this video, we are going to show you how to do a tuck shape, what to look out for, and how to make it easier or harder. To do a tuck shape, you can go from standing, squat down with 2 feet together, small as you can on your feet, and squeeze into your legs as much as possible. You may see a child squatting down with their legs and knees not touching. Encourage them to go into a small ball as possible. If someone is finding it too easy, they can try and move from standing and roll backwards into a tuck shape. Then roll back up to standing on their feet. If someone is finding it too difficult, they can try and hold the shape while laying on their back. Can you think of other ways to make it easier or harder? Why not visit our Facebook, Twitter and website for more ideas?